Hi guys, this is how you update the BIOS on B450 Gaming Pro Carbon Max Wi-Fi MSI motherboard. So I'll link this link below, and this is for basically every other motherboard also. You just type the name of the motherboard. You can use CPU Z or any other software to check which motherboard you're running, or you know which version or which brands you're running because you bought it, whatnot. So you download the latest file or update, which was the September of last year, and then you open the zip. Uh, you have to extract it. Once you extracted it, open it, get into it. Also plug in the USB drive. So you copy this to the F drive, which is the USB drive. Once you've done that, you have to eject the right click, eject the USB drive, and it's gone. Now you restart the PC and enter the BIOS. Spam the delete key to enter the BIOS.